How to log out of your Prime Video account on the mobile app. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your account on Prime Video through the mobile app. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so straight into it. So first, of course, open up the Prime Video app on your mobile device, then tap on My Stuff in the bottom right hand corner. Once you're here, tap on the gear icon in the top right hand corner, and then about halfway down it says signed in as your name, and then sign out of all Amazon apps. So if I tap on that option, it will then say confirm sign out. So all Amazon apps on this device will be signed out. So tap on sign out, and I'm now signed out of my Prime Video account. And that's all it takes to log out of your Prime Video account on the mobile app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.